Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you own the property and turning off any alarms. Once done, put on gloves, eye protection, and a dust mask. You will locate fasteners, bolts, screws, or welds, so use the drill with correct bits to remove exposed screws. Make short pilot holes for stubborn studs. Once screws are out, use a chisel or pry bar to free the frame edges. Make controlled cuts, working one anchor at a time while your helper supports the grill. You transition to the tougher middle steps. If the bars are welded, mark cut lines and use an angle grinder with a metal wheel, making short, controlled passes to avoid warping. Make sure to cool the metal periodically. If bolts remain, use penetrating oil, let it soak, then apply a breaker bar and socket to loosen. Once loosened, extract bolts and pry the bar free. Keep pieces small and manageable. Remove from the top down so the openings stay safe and stable. You finish by cleaning cut edges and grinding burrs smooth, then treat exposed metal with primer and paint to prevent rust. Once done, fill holes in the masonry or frame with appropriate filler or weld new plates for structural integrity. Make sure to reinstall any trim and test window operation. If a fastener won't budge or the frame looks compromised, stop work and contact a licensed locksmith or metal fabricator.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.